welcome to Gruvgear Guitar. Baby, don't cry. Bittersweet, that's a new song, and it's very simple, guys. This will be a quick one. 4 chords, they just run in the same way through the entire song. Let's go into it. And before we start this actual tutorial, I just want to highlight my secondary YouTube channel. It's called Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago, because I play old classics from back in the days all the way till this point, and the big difference there is I'm gonna play a song for you from the beginning till the very end, from A to Z. You're gonna play along and just follow the chords shown on the screen and learn a full song. So go and check out Gruvgear Guitar 6 Strings Ago. Now let's go into the Bittersweet song. We're gonna learn the chords. A minor first, that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. D next, open D, second G, third B, and second E. G next, third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And finally we have the E minor. Open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. Okay, so let's learn the strumming pattern. Grab the first chord, A minor, and one round goes like this. Okay, it follows the rhythm in the song. So we're gonna start with down, up, down, up, down. Then down, up, up. And then up, down, up, down, up. If you put all these parts together, it will be down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. But you had to switch chords in between and not only stay on A minor, so we're going to play one of these per chord. So A minor 1, D1, G1, E minor 1 through the entire song. Let's go for a round. Like I said, very simple and easy, guys. That is Baby Don't Cry, Bittersweet song. And yeah, that's it for this time. Hope you enjoyed it. Till next time, play tuned.